back to my channel. I'm Randeep. Slime challenge. I'm Slime. My name is Slime. So, I'm going to make some extra cool slime of this one. So, I didn't use all the glue. I saved some. Okay, to make extra slime, you need to flop your slime and then wiggle it and put it in a place for 1 minute and 2 minutes. One, 2, 3. Then you put this slime 4 minutes, 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Bravo! Now we take off the slime, peel it. Now it's a pink ball, but I'm not sure. We made slime. And that's the end of our video. Comment down below if you watch our unicorn video on the beach. Bye.